In this video, we'll be talking about 8 things that you should really know before learning Python. This is not a video to discourage you from learning Python, but rather to help you make a more informed decision about whether Python is right for you, and also to help set you up for success when you begin your Python journey. I'm the founder of a technology company, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you 8 things that I think you should know before you start learning Python. Let's get started. First, Python is a very popular language. There are many people that want to learn it because it's popular, but popularity doesn't always mean it's the right fit for you. So, if you're considering learning Python, ask yourself, why do you want to learn it? Is it because it's popular? Or is it because you have some specific use case in mind? For example, maybe you want to learn it for web development or for data science. Second, Python is a dynamic language. This means that you don't need to explicitly declare the type of a variable. You can just assign a value to a variable and the interpreter will figure out what the type is. For example, here I'm assigning a string hello world to a variable called greeting. And here I'm assigning an integer 42 to a variable called age. And we can see that the types of these variables are automatically inferred by the interpreter. Third, Python is an interpreted language. This means that Python code is executed line by the interpreter. Unlike compiled languages such as C or C++, Python code is not compiled into machine code before execution. Instead, the Python interpreter reads and executes the code line by line. This makes Python a slower language compared to compiled languages. However, Python is still a very popular language because of its readability and ease of use. Fourth, Python is an object-oriented language. This means that everything in Python is an object. Objects are instances of classes. Classes are used to create objects. Everything in Python is an object. For example, here we create a class called dog, and then we create an object called Fido that is an instance of the dog class. We can then call methods on the dog object, such as the bark method. Fifth, Python is a high-level language. This means that Python is closer to natural language than machine code. This makes Python easier to learn and use compared to lower-level languages such as C or assembly. High-level languages are also more platform-independent. For example, Python code can run on both Windows and Linux without modification. Sixth, Python is a general-purpose language. This means that Python can be used to build a wide variety of applications. For example, Python can be used to build websites, web applications, desktop applications, games, and scripts. This makes Python a very versatile language, but it also means that Python is not specialized for any particular task. Seventh, Python is a case-sensitive language. This means that the interpreter will treat Python and Python as to different things. This can be confusing for beginners, so be careful. And finally, eighth, Python has a large and active community. This means that there are a lot of resources available to help you learn Python and also to help you with your Python projects. For example, there are many online forums, chat rooms, and communities where you can ask for help. There are also a ton of courses and tutorials available online. So if you're stuck on a Python problem, you're likely to find a solution with a quick Google search or on Stack Overflow. So those are 8 things that you should know before learning Python. If you're still interested in learning Python, then I encourage you to check out my complete Python tutorial playlist. Please like, share, and subscribe. Before you go, make sure to grab your free Python cheat sheet by heading over to the website below. Like and share this video if you enjoyed it. See you next time.